Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a fantastic resource for anyone interested in the world of 3D printing. We found this product online and added the link in the description so you can check the latest price and availability. The product we're reviewing is titled 3D Printing: Essential Techniques and Tips for Beginners. This comprehensive guide is designed to help newcomers and even some intermediate users navigate the exciting yet sometimes overwhelming world of 3D printing. Whether you're just starting out or looking to refine your skills, this book has something for everyone. One of the most striking features of this guide is its clear and structured approach. It breaks down complex concepts into digestible sections, making it easy for beginners to grasp essential techniques without feeling lost. The book covers everything from understanding different types of 3D printers to selecting the right materials for your projects. You'll find detailed explanations of the printing process, including setup, calibration, and common troubleshooting tips that can save you time and frustration. Another highlight is the wealth of practical advice. The authors share their own experiences, which add valuable insights into what works and what doesn't in real-world applications. This first-hand knowledge is particularly beneficial for beginners who might feel daunted by the technical aspects of 3D printing. The book also includes a variety of tips on post-processing techniques, helping you to achieve professional-level finishes on your prints. So, who is this guide suitable for? Well, it's perfect for beginners who are looking to dip their toes into 3D printing without getting overwhelmed. But it doesn't stop there. Intermediate users will also find advanced techniques that can enhance their skills and expand their creative possibilities. Even pros might discover a few new tips or innovative techniques that spark their next project. Speaking of projects, this guide is packed with practical use cases that inspire creativity. Whether you want to create custom home decor items, functional prototypes for your business, or even unique gifts for your friends and family, the book offers project ideas that cater to a wide range of interests. Each project is explained step by step, outlining the necessary materials and providing tips for success. In summary, 3D Printing: Essential Techniques and Tips for Beginners is an invaluable resource for anyone looking to explore the world of 3D printing. Its clear instructions, practical advice, and engaging project ideas make it a must-have for your 3D printing journey. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to